Yes, hello.
Yes, yes. I am. Tell me now. Can you hear me or not?
Yes, I can hear you. And can you hear me?
Yes, yes. I can hear you clearly. Before a while, I think I was not able to hear you properly, but now I can hear you properly. I think I was facing some network problem. That's why I think it was happening like that. But now everything is okay. Everything is okay now.
Mm,
Yes.
it's great that everything's fine. So now, well, I'll shall introduce yourself. Then you can introduce yourself. Actually, you know about you, but just for my viewers, you can introduce. First, I'll start. So my
Okay.
name
Okay.
is
Okay. Okay. Introduce yourself. Yes.
Okay, so my name is Arna Shukla. I'm 9 years old. I study in class 4 and I study in a public school. I'm talking to you from Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. And I have a YouTube channel called The Arna. It's where I upload conversational English videos. This is all about me. Now, can you introduce yourself for my
Why not?
viewers?
Why not? Why not? Why not? I must introduce myself. If you have given your introduction, so I will not. I will not also go back. You can consider. I will also give my introduction. Yes, you know very well. My name is Jadu Kisko. If you have watched my videos, so there are 6 members in my family. If I talk about my education, I studied 9th class only, and now I'm going to give the exam also after some times, after some days. Not some time. After some days, I'm going to give the exam also. That's all about me. I think you know my address already, I think, right?
Okay, so
Yes.
do you have any questions for me?
Yes, yes, yes. So can you tell me about your interest and hobby? I want to know first of all, what types of hobbies do you have which you like the most?
Well, actually, I have so many hobbies. My favorite hobbies are for dancing, playing, talking to other people, learning new things.
Oh, so do you know singing also? I think one day I was watching your video. I was watching your video on YouTube that you took session with one person. And that time you were singing song. So do you know singing song really? Do you know singing song or not?
Yes, I do like singing.
Oh, I think it means you have hobby to sing song also, right? Sometimes,
Yes,
like you like singing song. So
and
yes,
sometimes I forget to mention it.
yes, yes. So would you like to sing a song also? I want to listen.
Okay, so you know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You want my love, you want my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. I'll be if I don't go quit playing. We're just friends. What are you saying? Said there's another love part of my eyes. My first broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 oh, that you'd always be mine, mine.
Wow, wow, you sang song very well. I liked your song really. I think you will become good English singer also. Right? Yes. So can you tell me that you speak in British accent, right? Like you have knowledge of speaking British accent. So how did you learn this accent? That no one is able to learn this accent easily. But how could you learn this accent? Please explain me.
Can you please repeat your question?
Yes. I want to know that how did you learn British accent? Who taught you or you learned it by yourself?
Well, actually, my parents teach me British accent, and they
Oh,
don't know British accent. First, they have to learn themselves, then they teach me.
oh, your parents they teach you, right? And you learn. And do they know? Do your parents like they can speak British accent or not? Can they speak British accent? Can your father speak British accent like you?
No, they can't, but still they try to teach me.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. And can you suggest me what I have to do for improving and for speaking like British accent? How can I learn? What I have to do? I think you have technique ideas for it, so which you can provide me. So please provide me idea. How can I learn British accent like you?
Well, actually, I didn't do any specific thing or for any coaching for this. I just normally followed some YouTubers, and I usually follow some British tips and sounds, and I also follow some tongue twisters because they're also important for pronunciation. And I follow one the good tip, but which is very important for beginners who want to learn this accent. Is the th sound, the even the voiced and the unvoiced one.
Oh,
The,
it means for improving British accent, like also at home. Sitting at home, we can do this if we will try. So, right? We can do
yeah,
easily this. Yes, yes. And I think for it, I have heard that some books are also getting through online, like in which you can learn British accent, like of word. How can you pronounce like them, right? So I think I should buy that. Then I think and if I'll take some help, because now it is like I have power of communication. You have also power of communication. So now you are communicating with people and you are improving. So in the beginning time, when did you start communicating with people that you are I think a young girl? I think I can consider. I think how old are you? Tell me this thing.
I'm 9 years old, and for if I talk about my communication journey, I started just in the year of 2024, at the month of January or maybe February. Actually, I don't remember the month properly, but actually I do remember the year. And I was 8 years old, and I was in class 3 that time.
Oh, you are like you are studying in class 3 that time, right? So I think
Yes, and
really
right
great,
now I'm in
because I
4.
think yes, yes. Because yes, I didn't see like you so far, that who is communicating with people in this age you can consider. And I think really you learned good communication, and now you communicate with people, you keep talking. And like who are your parents? So do they have communication skills, like you, like do they talk with people like you every day on Skype or not?
No, they don't. No, they don't talk to other people on Skype, but only they just. I only the one here who does conversations with other people, and both of my parents don't even have a YouTube channel. Only I'm here in the family who has a YouTube channel.
Oh, only you have, like in your family, right? So who opened YouTube channel for you, or you opened your YouTube channel by yourself?
Well, my parents opened a YouTube channel for me, and I started my YouTube channel when I was 3 years old. Is because my English journey was so well, and I only uploaded solo videos, and I didn't uploaded any conversation videos. And on that time, I didn't upload any English videos. When my English was gone so well, I started to upload English videos.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. In the beginning time, that when you're beginner to use application like Skype. So who helped you to come on Skype? And how, who helped you to learn communication on Skype like this? So I think before you told that you were making solo types of video, right? And how did you start making conversation video on YouTube? Who helped you? Or you got help by yourself? Like you thought like this I have to do and I should talk with people and upload it on YouTube.
I got help by my father.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. I think already they have knowledge about it, right? Because nowadays it is the era of internet, any idea, knowledge we can get from social media, right?
Yes.
Yes, easily you can consider because nowadays, suppose you don't know making jalebi. Do you know jalebi and samosa? Do you know or not?
Yes.
Oh, have you eaten jalebi and samosa?
Yes, I did. Everyone ate that food.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. So it means that, like nowadays, I think making jalebi, making samosa, if you don't know, so you can learn easily making samosa, jalebi, for making on YouTube. And yesterday, one fair was happening in my area, in my village. So that time, my father, he learned, making samosa and jalebi through YouTube, and he sold that to the people, you know, and they liked it because he didn't take help from anyone. It means he has mobile, so he learned making jalebi and samosa from mobile. So like it happens. So somebody, I think, mostly think 90% of thing skills, we can get from social media for learning. If you don't know, speak English also, that you can learn easily from YouTube, like this, right? By watching YouTube videos. And you can take help from many YouTubers on YouTube, that and I think lots of teachers, and they are available on YouTube, for teaching. And I think they teach through online, and you can take their help also. Easily you can learn English language, right?
Yeah, right. And can I ask some questions now?
Yes, yes, why not, ask me, yes.
Like nowadays, what are you doing for practicing English?
Nowadays, for practice English, I think, as I used to tell, that before I used to go to the forest. Before I used to go to the forest, but nowadays I don't go to the forest, because that time, I was thinking that when I was going to the forest, that time I was thinking that, people are looking me, like people are looking me, and I was getting shy also. I was, they were making fun of me also, that when they were looking in a village area, in open area, while practicing in English language. So that's why, that was the problem. But nowadays I created the environment at home. So at home, I practice by myself, and I keep talking with people by sitting also. But mostly during the day, I keep walking, as I walking now, like this I do. But at night, when I communicate at night, that time mostly by sitting I communicate. It means, that time I use my body language, gesture you can consider, that all I use. Like this, I learned this communication skill, at home. So I communicate with people like at night time mostly. But during the day, as I told you, that you know by while walking, as I walk like this. Yes.
Yeah, that's right. And I have another question. What is your strength and weakness?
What did you say?
What is your strength and weakness?
Weakness, right? You are asking about my
And
weakness.
strength
I think
also. And strength also.
I think I have lots of weakness. I think I don't have some skills. In there, I'm weak. Really, you can
And
consider. Like you can consider what will I say? Sport and events can be like football match. Do you know football playing?
yes.
Yes. You know very well. If you have, like, if you know English language, I think, if you know playing football, and I think I can say that you will not be knowing starting mostly, like you will not be, intelligent, like this I can think. Because I think for every work, like, we are unable to give, what is the time you can consider. Like if you are good at playing the football, I think you don't know English, like this I can say, like this. That's why, everyone's, different kinds of hobbies you can consider. So I'm also weak at that. You can consider. I can't do that. Dancing also, if you will say me for dancing, I think I don't know dancing also, like this. Singing also, recently I am learning singing also, but I don't know more. But I'm like becoming really, what will you say, writer, songwriter you can consider. And after some time, I will record it, and album, that all, I will make. I will dance, and that all skills, I will get, you can consider. But now, due to lots of work, I unable to do that skill, unable to manage, you can consider, because I have to learn English, I have to study, and working at home, so lots of work. That's why. Mm.
Okay, so can you please tell me what thing are you doing to learn English for your area?
Oh, in my area, like without people, you're asking, right? Without people, what do I do for improving English, right?
Yes.
And without people, like I will, like this I will practice English. I like this I will improve my English language. First of all, I will put the mirror. But sometime mobile camera, I have tablet like that, and what will say, laptop, that all. So then like this, when I will put a tablet in front of me, then I will take any topic, and in that topic I will speak and record myself like this, and I will speak slowly, clarity you can consider, pronunciation, that all, like this I do. So like this, by recording, I listen and check my pronunciation, English. How did I speak? Did I speak good English, or I speak, I spoke wrong English, like this. So like this, I improve my English language by myself. But when it will come to speaking with people, that time, I speak with people. I have some friend also, they know English little bit, so I keep practicing with them. And others, I like talk with people on Skype as I'm talking with you like this. So like this way, I'm improving my English language, and day by day, learning vocabularies. What is continue? You can consider like every day I learn, keep learning new words of English for making my English like better. You can consider for improving my English more, enhancing my English like this. Yes.
That's really great. So, do you have any other questions for me?
Yes, yes, yes. Why not? I have lots of questions. So can you tell me that so far how many people, like with how many people did you take session now so far?
Well, I can say I did 200 conversations.
For 200, right? I think lots of conversation. I think I took. So when did you start talking with people on Skype?
Can you please repeat?
When did you start talking with people on Skype?
Since last year.
Oh yes, I think mostly because how many sessions do you take daily every day?
Well, usually you don't do it every day. I usually do it every Sunday or whenever it's a holiday of my school and whenever I'm free. Yeah, I do conversations and I usually do 4 or 5. Right now my exams are going on. That's why right now it's a preparatory leave. So I'm doing go only 1 or 2 or 3 conversations.
Oh, like that, right? Yes, that's why I think. And I think I take lots of sessions. Every day I keep on talking. I think if you will talk about me, if you will ask me that how many sessions do you take, so I can say like four session on video call. I take daily. You can consider 4 session, 5 sessions. Sometimes in case of need, if needed some, and sometime video call. If you talk about video call, I think lots of people keep talking with me on video call. You can consider, and I improve my English language. And I think it is about like during the day I am saying you yes, but at night I will take lots of session at night. That time not that I mostly I don't upload which I take at night. You can consider that time for improving body language, and by sitting on the chair I will speak with people like this. I do at night time. Yes, at home by sitting at home I talk with people. Yes, like this.
Okay, so can you please so do you have any other questions for me?
I think we have to wrap up this session.
Yes, I think we should because I have to would have my lunch now.
Okay, okay, okay. Then we will talk later some other time, if possible. So yes.
Yeah. Yes, we can. I really enjoyed this conversation with you. And to thank you for precious time. I hope we meet again some other day. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Yes.